Hey, so today I just wanted to make you this video on how you can use AI to automate the building of your email campaigns. So what I've got open right here is a website called channelape.com. In Channelape, you can find a shit ton of D2C brands to look for. So if you're targeting apparel and fashion, arts and crafts, so there's a ton of categories right here. And then, of course, the option to choose a country. So today we're gonna be using, we're gonna search for brands, clothing brands in the US. So without further ado, let's jump into the first bit of the automation. So we're gonna open up Bardeen right here. Then we're gonna start building the automation to scrape all the domains here. So go here, scrape data on active tab, create new scraper template. We're gonna click this because this is the site that we need to get the data from. And it's obviously a list, so we're gonna click list. Let's just name it test list. Start building. So first thing we need to do is help Bardeen figure out how to scroll down this side. So we need to take, for example, this, and then any element of the same kind, so this. And let's just see if it's going to be rolling on click pagination or infinite scroll. So infinite scroll scrolls automatically if it just loads up more items as you go, and click pagination is this. So it's the next page. So we need to click here and click here so it knows where to go. Now we can start getting the data. So we need this, and then we need the link. So get data. Now it should load up all the domains here. All right, perfect. Here we go. Let's just name it domain. Then save template. Number of items to list. So here's where we're gonna choose how many items we need and how many pages. I think when I scroll down manually and checked all the pages, it had 2 pages. So we're gonna go here, number of pages to extract. So it's gonna be 2. Then click done. Then go to the second part. So we need all this data neatly into a Google Sheet. So we're gonna go here. Add rows to Google Sheet. Create Google Sheet with name, test name. Use commands. From table, scrape data on active tab. Yep, all's Gucci. Done. Now we should be ready with the automation, so let's give it a shot. Let's click to run. Now it's running in the background and getting all the data, as you see. All right, so now the automation has done. The next step is that we obviously need emails for this, to reach out to people. Looks like this list only had 151 domains, so let's work with what we got. So next step, so there's 2 ways to do it. You can do it like this way. You can go just copy and paste all these domains, go into Apollo search, company, then here include a list of companies. See what we got. Yes, sir. Save and search. Right, so now we need to narrow down the list. Alright, so we've turned 509 profiles. Let's see how many we get after we get the verified email status. Of course, this is not like a huge lead list, but for this video's sake, I just wanted to show you guys how you can use AI to scrape domains. So 316 with just these keywords. Then let's jump into how we can use Clay to our advantage when building up the lead list. So let's open up Clay, new table, then import companies from CSV. So we're gonna need this CSV, download CSV, then import the companies into Clay. Here we go. New blank table, complete import. Now we've loaded up the Clay. So the first thing that we need is we're gonna need to find the people. So we're gonna go here, find people, comma separated list. So all the domains are here. Go into job titles, CEO, CMO, owner. Let's use president, founder, co-founder. Here we go. Then let's preview people and see what it gives us. Awesome. So now I've got a ton of email right here. So let's import. Now we can use Clay's built-in rainfall or whatever it's called effect to enrich it fully. So let's get the personal email, and yeah, I think we're gonna be good with the work now. Here we go. Continue. So now Clay is running its magic, trying to find all the emails. So if it finds one email, for example, using this, it's not gonna run the other one. So it's not gonna search on Apollo or Hunter if it finds with the first one. So let's see what we get. Alright, so here we go. It just ran these because I'm not gonna waste credits for this video and find the email for all of those people. So here we go. So that's how you can use Bardeen's AI Scrapple, Apollo, and Clay. So, you can pick and choose if you want to use Clay, if you have the paid version of Clay, or just use an Apollo, or just use Apollo and then just get the domains from there. So as a bonus, I wanted to show you guys how you can use Clay to write personalized lines. So let's just go here. So enrich data. Then we're gonna get the, where is it? Description. Here we go. The company description to write the first line. So we need the company domain here, so it knows where to look for, and save and run the first 10 rows. Let's see what kind of results we get. Right, here we go. So this is like a brand for plus size people. 60%, 67% of them are yada yada. Cool. So let's get on and start writing the personalized lines. So I'm not a Clay expert by any means, so let's see what kind of results we get with the personalized line. So let's go here. Sorry, AI. Use AI. Write a prompt. So give me just a second. I'm gonna figure out a prompt that we possibly could use. So tell me what the company does based on the company description table. Of course, keep it under 10 words. Here's the company description. Keep it under 10 words. Start with the prefix. Let's use like a basic prefix for this. So start with the prefix. I love how you tell me what the company does based on the company description table. Here's the company descriptions. And we're gonna map the description right here. Keep it under 10 words. Start with the prefix. I love how you. Let's see what we get. Alright, so now it loaded up. Make affordable, yeah, this one sucks. Love how you design and sell high performance clothing. So these are like super surface level, so we need to adjust the AI a bit. Right, so this is one of Clay's templates, so let's see how it performs. So using the input, generate a sentence summarizing what a company does. This is the input, and then we're gonna map the description here. Keep the output under 8 words and use specific keywords from the input. Complete the sentence with my prefix. This is my prefix. I was on your site and saw you. Yeah, we should be ready to run. Let's see what we get this time. Alright, so I was on your site and saw you provide generation defining apparel for women, including swimwear and loungewear. Of course, there's room for improvement, hacking your way into using ChatGPT the best way, but you guys get the basic idea. So with Clay, you can, find emails, find LinkedIn profiles, and then you can, get company data, and you can write personalized email first lines based, for example, on the company data, and then you can also write personalized lines based on, for example, this dude's latest LinkedIn post, and then write a personalized line based on that. So I hope you guys get any value from this video. So I showed you guys how to build a Bardeen scraper and how you can find emails for that.